Hey guys, Taufik here, and today I have an unboxing of the iPhone XS Max. Now, as you guys can see, this box is pretty huge in comparison to the box from last year with the iPhone X, which I'm recording this on. And it's about the same size as the iPhone 8 Plus box, so yeah. Now, let's open this. Whew. Absolutely beautiful. Set this up right here, guys. Designed by Apple in California. Yeah, we know that. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Now, I already opened the phone and powered it up already, as you guys can see, but look at this. Look at this screen, guys. Let me just take it out. Guys, this is so beautiful. Look at that gold finish on it, guys. This phone is absolutely stunning. Got two cases for it. It's Max Boost clear screen protector. And I also have a Caseology Vault. Guys, this phone is amazing. Please subscribe, comment, like,